Okay, so good morning. So this morning I'll be discussing stack data structure. So a stack is a linear data structure that can be accessed only at one of its end for storing and retrieving data. So a stack is like this. So there is only one way of storing data and retrieving data. So that is a stack. That is also called a last in, first out data structure. So what are the possible applications we can have for stack? So we can probably have the checking of parentheses, no? Checking if they are balanced, or we can also have the palindrome. The palindrome using the stack. Okay, so before we proceed with other applications related to stack, let's have first a demonstration on the checking of the parentheses whether they are balanced, and then we will not any though the stack can be implemented using array and linked list. Okay, so that can be implemented using array or linked list. So our purpose why we will be using another data structure instead of having the array or linked list is to have a fast algorithm, diba? So it should have a it should have a less running time na siya purpose nimo why you will be using other form of data structure such as stack, for example. So again, the stack can be implemented using array or linked list. Okay, so for the operations of the stack, by the way, are the following. These are the operations. The operations of the stack are the following. Clear is empty, push, pop, and top element. So clear is to clear the stack. To determine if the stack is empty, you can have the is empty method. To put the element in the stack, you have the push, and to delete the element at the stack, you have the pop, and to get the element at the top, you have the top L. Or for the existing stack class of the java.util, you have the pick method. Okay, so we will not anymore implement the stack class. Instead, we will be using the existing stack of the java.util. So let's make use of the stack class of the java.util to determine whether parentheses are balanced, or to determine whether a string probably is a palindrome or not. So um, let's start. Okay, so let's start with the checking of parentheses. Checking whether the parentheses are balanced. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so let's name our class parentheses. So let's have here public class parentheses. Okay, and then we will be importing the java.util. Then we will have the asterisk na lang because we will also use other class from the java.util, such as the scanner class. Okay, so this is our main public static void main string args. So again, our goal for this code is to check whether parentheses are balanced. Okay, so let's create here a method public static boolean is balance, and then we will pass here a string input, for example. So initially, let's assume that the parenthesis is not yet balanced. So let's initialize flag to false, and then one way to determine that the parenthesis is not balanced is, for example, the size of the input is not even, so it is already what? It's already not balanced, diba? If it has odd number of parentheses. Okay, so let's have here if. Okay, so let's get the length. Int length, the length of the input. So let's have here length input dot length, and then let's check if the length modulo 2 is equal to 0, meaning to say it has even numbers. So what are the possible numbers of what are the possible number of characters we have in our input? It should be 2, 4, 6. Okay, so these are the qualified numbers. So meaning to say if it has an odd number of characters, so let's consider that already as not balanced. Okay, so if length modulo 2 is equal to 0, meaning to say there are even number of characters, or there are even number of parentheses, so the next thing we do is let's check if the parentheses are okay, whether you have, for example, you have 3 open parentheses and 3 close parentheses, so that is considered balanced. But for example, you have 3 close parentheses and then 3 open parentheses, so after the close, so that is not considered balanced because the parentheses should be what? It should begin with the open before the close, diba? So what are the possible invalid balancing of parentheses? So for example, you have like this. Okay, we can probably say they are balanced because they have we have 3 open parentheses and then we have 3 close parentheses, but because the close we have the close first before the open, so let's consider this as invalid, diba? Hindi na siya pwede. Okay, so what we will do if, for example, ang length sa imuhang string kay even na, so i-prepare nato ang ato ang stack. So let's say ang stack nato kay mo receive siya og string. Okay, generic class man ha ang stack mo, mas specify nimo kung unsay type, unsay data type nga imong ibutang sa stack. Okay, so i-prepare na to na ang ato ang stack nga mo receive og string. Okay, so karon itong buhaton is from the beginning. So kuanta na for okay, kuha na lang ta. Tanaw na to ang elements from the first element going to the last element of the input. So let's start with first element at index 0. So for int I, initially 0, and then while I is less than input. So we have already the length, so let's make use of it. Length, okay, I plus plus, and then what we're going to do is let's check if the okay, so our assumption here that the elements of our input are all parentheses. It could be open or close. Okay, it could be open or close. So for example, the character, if you have input, okay, so we will get na lang the character char token. For example, let's get the name of our string is input, and then let's get the character, so char at index I, so it's assigned to the variable token. So now let's check if the token if the token is equal to the open, if it is equal to the open parentheses. So if it is an open parentheses, Okay, so what we're going to do is to push that in the stack. Okay, push the token. Okay, and then else if the token is equal to the close parenthesis. Okay, if it is equal to the close, first nimong buhaton is to check if stack is not empty. So whether stack is not empty. So if it is not empty, then atong ipop ang element, 'di ba? I-pop na to ang element, i-delete. So for example, muna siya ang ato ang stack, for example, and then we have this. Okay, so pagkakita niya nga close, then empty man, so di siya mo delete, diba? Pero for example, ingon ani ang iyang parenthesis, so open, push, open, push, open, push. Pagkita niya close, pop, close, pop, pop. So kung empty gani ang stack, pagka nahuman na ka og sa tanang mga tokens sa imuhang input, then let's consider it as balance, 'di ba? Pag empty ang stack. Okay, let's go back to our code. Okay, so after that, hingon na dayon ta, nahuman na ta diri sa for loop, no? So check dayon ta if stack is empty. So kung empty gani si stack, then let's set flag to true, meaning to say it is balance, and then return the flag. And so okay, try ko na taog ask sa user for an input sa atong initialize diri si scanner. Scanner console new scanner system.in, and then system.out.print, enter parenthesis. Okay, and then let's have here a string input, then let's have console dot next. So next lang ato ang gamiton kay di man ta mag wala may expected nga spaces, and then ato dayong i-determine if balance ba or not. Okay, so parenthesis r, okay, and then parenthesis r. So ato dayong tawagon ang is balance, then ipasa na to ang input. So if balance, so parenthesis r, balance, kanta direct balance, otherwise if not balance, so butang lang nato siya not balance. Yan. Okay, let's try. So cannot converted to string because the elements of our input are diba, it's char at, the char at method returns a character, so and then we are pushing that to our stack, in which the stack receives only string. So let's convert this to string, and the very pinakapaspas nga pag himo ani nga string is to concatenate it with the string. Ano ba? Okay, let's try now. So parenthesis, so So balance. So the output, see the outer parentheses are balance. What about if you have like that? So it's what? Not balance. And then if you have close, 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 open, open. Okay, still the answer is not balance. Okay. Okay, so let's have now the palindrome. So let's check if a word is a palindrome by using the stack. So we can say that a word is a palindrome if when you read the word in reverse, it is still just the same. So example of a palindrome word is, for example, Hana, diba? So example of this, Hana, diba? If you have the Hana, if you reverse the order of the characters, you will still have the word Hana. Okay? So what else? What are the other words that can be considered palindrome? Ana, diba? If you reverse the words, you still have the Ana. Okay, so let's begin. So let's import java.util. Okay, again asterisk because we will be using the scanner and the stack class. Okay, so and then this is our main. So atong i-initialize or maghimota og object ni scanner. So new scanner and then system dot in. Okay, then let's ask the user to enter a word. System dot out dot print enter a word. Okay, so let's have here string input, then console dot next, and then so tawagon na lang nato ang method nga is palindrome, no? System dot out dot print ln input. Okay, let's have here input plus is, diba? So input followed by space, and then what's next? Let's call the is palindrome, and then pasa na to ang input. So for example, the input is a palindrome, so that should display whatever is the word followed by is diba? Otherwise it will display is not, diba? Is not and then after this, okay, mo sunod ang palindrome ng word. Okay, so let's do now the method is palindrome. So palindrome, this is the name of our class, the end of the class, and then this is the method public boolean is palindrome, and then pass the input. Okay, so let's initialize now our stack. So our stack will receive string, stack, new stack, and then the data type would be string. Okay, so let's check the characters. So for int I initially 0 while I is less than input dot length. So tanaw na to ang tagsa-tagsa ka mga characters. I plus plus. So if the name of our string is input, no, input the char at index I is what? Okay, we simply push everything in our stack, diba? We will simply put everything in our stack. Okay, so butang na to tanan. Okay, dinataan ng if. So, i-push na to tanan sa stack. Okay, so stack dot push and then input dot char at I, diba? And then after that, nahuman na siya og butang tanan ng mga words, no? So if kanang ato na siyang i-simulate here, okay, sige, di na ta mag-erase, ayun lang ta dire. So for example, we have here, okay, the word is Ana. So this is our stack. So push na push ra niya. And then so maghimo ta og variable ato siyang panganlan og output. Then atong ipang concatenate diri gikan sa stack. Okay, di ba? So kung magpareha sila sa input og output, meaning to say it's a palindrome. Okay, so let's go back to our class palindrome. So, yun tatari, while stack, diba? Tawagon nato ang method nga is empty. So, while stack is not empty, itong buhaton is i-prepare nato bali ang ato ang string output. Initially, empty string. So while stack is not empty, let's have here output receives output dot, and then the pop will get the element, diba, and then pop it, or will delete the element at the top of the stack. So let's call the pop. Okay, ana. So once nga na empty na si stack, okay, next atong buhaton is to check if input is equal to, so let's call the equals method, input that equals output. So if it is equal, then atong initialize diri ang ato ang flag. Okay, initially false. So pag mag-equal, ang flag na to will become true. Okay, and then return flag. Kulang og usa ka parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay, so cannot be converted to string C char at. So same story sa kantong ato ang parenthesis. So ato gyapon ni sumpayan og empty string. And then cannot find symbol pop, output dot pop. So this should be what? Stack dot pop. So and then plus, diba? Okay, concatenate man. And then okay, so non-static method cannot be referenced from a static context. So what is wrong here? This should be what? Declared static. Okay, so Ana is a palindrome, and then hi is not a palindrome. O, diba?